The animals on the farm.
We are going to visit our grandparents on the farm. Would you like to see the animals on the farm? These are the cows. The cows like to eat grass. Cow. Grass. These are the hens. Rooster. And chicks. The chicks look for worms. Rooster. Hens. Chicks. The pigs like mud. Pigs. Mud. The sheep is a smart animal. Sheep. Smart. The goats are curious animals. Goat. Curious. My cousin likes to ride the horse. Horse. The ducks swim on the lake. Ducks. Lake. The geese are always together. Geese. Together. These are the turkeys. Turkeys. The donkeys are funny. Donkeys. Funny. The rabbits are so cute. Rabbits. Cute.
And you? Let's like, share and subscribe the channel.